everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, myself Divya Raj, and today I am introducing the real one, the real side of mine. So, not just the student and not just the NEET aspirant, but the person behind this journey. So, basically, I am from Patna, Bihar, and becoming a doctor is more than just my dream. It's my family dream too. Ever since I was child, I have looked up to doctors, and now I am chasing that same dream to save lives and make a difference. Now the another question arises that why need? There are a lot of many other options, but why you opted for need? So choosing need wasn't easy, but it's what I have always wanted. I know it's not just about studying hard, it's about passion and willingness to go beyond the limits. That is not just for me, it's for my parents who have always believed in me, who have supported me every step of the way. So I don't think it's only for me, but it's for them also, because they are the reason behind my everything, behind my every achievements, behind my every success. Now there is the matter about struggles and motivations. So there are days when everything feels like too much, when the pressure is overwhelming and the self-doubt creeps in. There's a voice inside that tells me I'm not doing enough, or maybe I'm not good enough, but then I always remind myself why I started this journey. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. It's about showing up every day, every when things aren't going the way I planned. So, by these things, I used to manage my stress and my demotivation, which I deal with myself. Then there is another topic which is about daily routine and study cycle. So basically, my day starts early, usually around 5 to 6 a.m. I woke up, grab my books, and dive into my first session. So in that bio is my first session because it's my one of the favorite subject, and I love the both part botany and zoology. So it is my one of the favorite. And then chemistry and physics is a challenge for me, is a big challenge for me, just like an average student. But it's the challenge which makes me grow, which helps me to be strong. Then I follow a very strict study schedule for an hour, take a break, and then again back to studying again. So according to me, it's all about consistency and staying focused, because there is not a big deal to study for regularly 5 to 6 hours, but there is the big matter of consistency, which any competitive exam preparation needs a lot of consistency and only consistency. Starting my YouTube channel was the only way to share my journey, the real me, the ups, downs, and everything in between. It's a space, I think it's a space for all of us to learn and grow together, not to just study but to leave this journey, to have some fun together and to enjoy the every moment together. I know I'm not alone on this path. If you are watching this, chances are you are on your neat journey too. And if you are not, then still you will relate to me as a student life, student pressure, student burden, and etc. So I just want, let's share our experience, our struggle, our motivation together to keep going further and further to achieve the success we want. And currently I'm studying from Arjuna NEET batch from Physics Wala. And one thing I will like to say that it's been an incredible experience from studying, because the knowledge and content they provide are a top notch, and it's really helping me to strengthen my foundation. So the teachers are really amazing and very helpful. I truly believe that it is one of the best resources I could have ever chosen, because the clarity and the depth of the lessons makes even the most complex topic easy to understand. So thank you so much for watching this, joining me for the journey. And if you are also a NEET aspirant or any student who is preparing for any competitive exam, chasing their dreams, I would love to hear your story. Comment below, share your story. I would love to read that, and let's build this community together.